Namaste and welcome. I am Sushen. Ever since Nostradamus Astro Centre was established in 2015, we have been exploring the profound connections between time, health, and destiny. Today, I extend my warmest greetings to you on the Hindu New Year. The festivals of Ugadi and Chaitra Navaratri closely follow the spring equinox. This is a profound astronomical moment. The sun sets directly above the equator, and the shadow at midday drops to zero. It is a profound marker of renewal, echoed by the Persian New Rose. For those following a fixed solar calendar based on Ganitam and the Chaitra Navaratri, the sun prepares to enter Aries on April 14th, roughly, heralding the Poila Boishakh, Vaishakhi, and Bihu. This is our time for fresh beginnings and fresh resolves. Broadly speaking, the sun's movement across the Rashis dictates our months. 2 months create a season or a ritu. 6 ritus create a year. Many calendars on the western side of the Vindhya start after Diwali, which is tied to the sun in Libra, which was, once upon an ancient point in time, the autumnal equinox. By this time, the autumnal equinox has drifted roughly 24 days away from the Diwali. Simplifying beyond the intricate details, every calendar in the Samvatsar is tied to Jupiterian movement across signs. This brings us to an important question. What does 2026 hold for us as tied to the Jupiterian transit? Traditionally, we observe the Panchang Shravana, listening to the 5 limbs of time. We partake in the diverse tastes of nature, especially the bitter flavor, neem. Neem is a powerful reminder to accept all facets of life with grace. To decode this, we must look at the Rashis. The sign where our Lagnesh, the Lord of the Ascendant, sits is called Paaka Lagna. We must also note our Chandra Lagna, the Moon Rashi, our Surya Lagna, and, of course, our primary Lagna. The ideal approach is to rank these 4 pillars in one's chart. If we lack advanced software, free tools like Jagannath Hora will do the task. Map these signs and match the Adya, that is the gains, and Vaya, that is the losses, as the planets transit. For an example, if your Lagna is Taurus, your Paaka Lagna is Sagittarius, and your moon is in Aries, you have a strong reason to be highly optimistic. A hint is enough for the wise. Perform this exercise for your family. It will clearly reveal whose intuition should guide the family decisions this year and who needs to strictly monitor their health and investment decisions. Coming to Nakshatras, Kritika, Megashira, Pushya Aslesha, Hasta Purva Falguni, Vishakha, Jyeshtha, Shatabhisha, Swati, Chitra, Anuradha, and Dhanishta are auspicious. Rohini and Uttara Falguni must take care of their health. So should Shravana and Punarvasu. So do people with these degrees of ascendance and moon, that is Rashi, in their chart.
People born into Saubhagya, Vyagata and Sadhya Nitya Yogas, Chatushpat Karanas, with afflicted Jupiter, and Krishna Paksha Kimstugna. And to some extent, those born in Krishna Chaturdashi and Amavasya should be careful in case Jupiter is related to current Dasha or Bhukti Lord, that is, running till April 2027. Caution should be taken in matters of health and taking any decision in fixed asset, immovable assets, or wealth, or choosing the wrong role models. In the next video, we will look at the broader world, the Shakha, Parabhava, Vikrama, Raudra, and Bengali San 1433.
Thank you.